Hey guys, so welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Cook with Ada here again, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some air-fried teriyaki honey chicken, whatever you want to call it. But you guys already know I love making some bomb chicken wings. Okay, I love trying out anything, new recipes, new things. I just love making things when it comes to chicken. So yeah, I'll be giving you guys another recipe that I tried and I loved it so much, so I'm sharing it with you guys. If you're new on here, welcome. This is where I share all the bomb recipes, and if you have not subscribed yet, do go ahead and click on the red subscribe button right down there, and also join the family. You're welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video, and also click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. So of course, so yeah, wash your chicken. I'll be leaving everything down below. I'll try as much as I can to be listing everything down in the description box as well, so you can always look through there and see what you want to see or whatever. So I'm going to be adding some Old Bay seasoning. You clearly see that I kind of like purposely slowed down the video so you will see everything. Some garlic powder, some paprika, of course, curry powder, and this is the jack seasoning. I'm going to be squeezing in some lemon in there. And then all you have to do is mix everything properly. So you didn't see me add any spice or any pepper because the teriyaki jack seasoning it's really spicy. Like, I got the spicy one. They have mild, they have all types, but I got the spicy one, so it's really spicy. Whenever I add it, I don't bother adding any other pepper in it because it's something else. It's so hot. Yeah. So now we are going to be cooking it in the air fryer for 20 minutes. Oh, I think I did 30 minutes actually. And I always like reducing the temperature to like 36 or 35. So this is it. We're out. It's ready. So while after cooking it for 20 minutes, I added the honey, and then I don't know why the part did not show in this video. I don't understand, but yeah, I added a little bit of honey and then did 10 more minutes, and that was it, and it's ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll definitely leave everything in the description box down below, so do check it for any other thing you're looking for. And I'm just topping it up with some parsley leaves, and this is what we have. It was so good. You guys need to try it out. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video with your friends and family. Don't be stingy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.